Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, something invisible is holding you back? Like your life is filled with roadblocks, and you're just one step away from a breakthrough that never seems to come? What if I told you there's a simple, yet incredibly powerful practice, a secret used for centuries, that could be the key to unlocking the life you've always dreamed of? And it all starts with something as ordinary as salt in your shoes. But here's the twist. This isn't just about salt. It's about inviting divine intervention into your life through the powerful blessings of Saint Benedict. Known as the patron saint of protection, his influence has helped countless people break free from negativity, bad luck, and overwhelming obstacles. Today I'm going to share with you a ritual that has transformed lives. So stay with me, because this could be the moment that changes everything for you. Imagine waking up tomorrow, feeling lighter, more confident, and surrounded by an invisible shield of protection and blessings. It might sound too good to be true, but miracles happen when faith meets action. Don't go anywhere. This simple act might be the one thing you've been searching for all along. Salt is one of the most ancient and sacred elements on earth, revered for its extraordinary properties. For thousands of years, salt has been a symbol of purity, preservation, and spiritual protection. In many cultures, it has been used to cleanse spaces, ward off negativity, and even heal the body and soul. But salt is more than just a mineral. It's a powerful spiritual tool, capable of creating a shield between you and the unseen forces of negativity that may be holding you back. Now combine the power of salt with the blessings of Saint Benedict, and what you have is nothing short of miraculous. Saint Benedict is known throughout history as a warrior of light, a protector against darkness, and a guide for those seeking peace and prosperity. His life was filled with acts of courage and miracles, and his legacy lives on through the faithful who invoke his name. When you use salt with Saint Benedict's blessing, you're not just performing a ritual, you're stepping into a sacred tradition, calling upon divine protection and guidance. You're inviting a force greater than yourself to help you break free from negativity, attract blessings, and align your life with abundance and joy. Think about this. Salt preserves, it purifies, it transforms. Just as salt keeps food from spoiling, it can preserve your spirit from decay caused by doubt, fear, and external negativity. And just as Saint Benedict overcame the challenges of darkness in his time, he can help you overcome the challenges in yours. This practice isn't just symbolic. It's a declaration of faith, a powerful act of saying, I'm ready to release the past and step into a brighter, better future. Can you feel the significance? The beauty of this practice lies in its simplicity. A pinch of salt, a heartfelt prayer, and the blessings of Saint Benedict can create a ripple effect that changes your life in ways you never thought possible. This isn't just any ritual. It's a sacred act that has the potential to transform your energy, your circumstances, and your life. The combination of blessed salt and the divine intercession of Saint Benedict is a practice rooted in faith and spiritual power. Let me walk you through it step by step so you can experience its transformative effects for yourself. Step 1. Gather your materials. First, you'll need a small pinch of salt. For the most powerful results, use blessed salt. If you don't have access to blessed salt, you can create your own. Simply hold the salt in your hands, say a heartfelt prayer, and ask for God's blessing upon it. You'll also need a pair of shoes. These can be the shoes you wear most often or the ones you'll use the next day. Step 2. Prepare your space. Find a quiet moment in the evening when you can fully focus on this practice. Turn off distractions, light a candle if you wish, and create an environment of peace and intention. This is your sacred time to connect with the divine. Step 3. Sprinkle the salt. Take a small pinch of the blessed salt and sprinkle it into each shoe. As you do this, visualize the salt absorbing all negativity, clearing away blockages, and creating a path of light and positivity ahead of you. Step 4. Say a prayer to Saint Benedict. As you sprinkle the salt, recite this prayer with faith and intention. Saint Benedict, protector and guide, I ask for your blessings and intercession. Remove all negativity from my life, shield me from harm, and open the doors to abundance, peace, and joy. Walk with me as I step into my divine destiny. Amen. Speak these words slowly, feeling the power of Saint Benedict's presence surrounding you. Step 5. Leave the shoes overnight. Place the shoes near your bed or at the entrance of your home and allow the salt to work its spiritual magic overnight. Imagine it as a bridge connecting you to divine protection and blessings. Step 6. Begin your day with confidence. The next morning, as you put on your shoes, feel the energy of Saint Benedict walking with you. Know that every step you take is guided and protected. Feel lighter, more confident, and open to the miracles awaiting you. This ritual may seem simple, but its power lies in your faith and intention. It's not about the salt or the shoes. It's about the energy you're inviting into your life. It's about aligning yourself with the protection and blessings of Saint Benedict and stepping boldly into a new chapter of abundance and positivity. Can you imagine how transformative this could be? Every step you take will carry the essence of this sacred act, infusing your day with strength, clarity, and divine guidance. Don't underestimate the power of small intentional actions. This ritual could be the catalyst for the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Now, let's talk about what happens when you commit to this powerful ritual. The truth is, the effects of combining salt with the blessings of Saint Benedict go far beyond what the eye can see. When you take this simple yet intentional action, you're setting in motion a chain of spiritual events that can open the door to miracles in your life. Here's what you can expect. Clearing negativity and breaking barriers. Imagine your life as a road and negativity as the debris blocking your path. This ritual works like a divine broom, sweeping away the invisible forces that hold you back. Whether it's bad luck, fear, doubt, or even spiritual attacks, people have reported feeling an immediate sense of lightness and clarity, as if a weight they didn't even know they were carrying has been lifted. 2. Attracting unexpected blessings. This practice isn't just about removing negativity, it's about making room for abundance. You'll start to notice opportunities appearing out of nowhere, a sudden financial breakthrough, an unexpected job offer, or even a restored relationship. It's as if the universe finally recognizes you as someone ready to receive the blessings you've been praying for. Divine protection surrounding you. When you invoke the help of Saint Benedict, you're calling upon one of the most powerful protectors in spiritual history. His presence creates an energetic shield around you, protecting you from harm, toxic people, and even accidents. You'll feel safer and more secure as you go about your day, knowing that you're walking with divine protection. Deep emotional and spiritual healing. Many people don't realize how much emotional baggage they're carrying until they let it go. This ritual creates space for healing on a deep soul level. You may feel old wounds beginning to fade, anxieties melting away, and a renewed sense of inner peace. This isn't just a temporary fix, it's a profound shift that aligns you with your higher self. 5. Strengthened faith and connection to the divine. Perhaps the most beautiful transformation of all is the way this ritual strengthens your faith. When you see the changes happening in your life, you'll feel a deeper connection to God, to Saint Benedict, and to the universe as a whole. Your belief in miracles will no longer be theoretical. It will be something you've experienced firsthand. Real stories of transformation. I want you to imagine this. A woman named Maria was at her wit's end. Her finances were in ruins, and every door she tried to open seemed to slam shut in her face. Out of desperation, she tried this ritual with salt and Saint Benedict's prayer. Within days, she received an unexpected phone call, a job offer that paid more than she ever imagined. She couldn't explain it, but she knew this practice had unlocked something divine. Or consider John, who was drowning in anxiety and couldn't find peace. After incorporating this ritual into his nightly routine, he felt an overwhelming sense of calm, like a warm embrace from above. His relationships improved, his confidence grew, and he finally began to feel in control of his life again. This can be you. These stories aren't rare. They're proof of what happens when faith meets action. The beauty of this ritual is that it works for anyone who approaches it with an open heart and a genuine desire to change. So, as you take these steps, imagine your own story of transformation. Visualize the doors opening, the blessings pouring in, and the life you've always dreamed of becoming your reality. It's not just salt in your shoes. It's a sacred declaration to the universe that you are ready. Ready for miracles, ready for blessings, and ready to step into the life you deserve. Now let's get real for a moment. How many times have you felt stuck, trapped in the same cycle, waiting for something, anything to change? What if the answer to your prayers isn't some far-off, impossible dream? What if it's already within your reach, waiting for you to take the first step? This simple ritual with salt and Saint Benedict could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. But here's the thing. You have to take action. You can't wait for your life to change on its own. You have to decide that today is the day you start walking a new path. Why now is the time to act? Think about it. There's a reason you're here listening to this message right now. Maybe it's divine timing. Maybe it's the universe sending you a sign. Whatever it is, this isn't just a coincidence. You're being called to make a change, to step out of the darkness and into the light. Don't ignore this moment. Don't let doubt or hesitation keep you from experiencing the transformation that's waiting for you. Take the first step tonight. Here's what I want you to do. Tonight, gather your salt, your shoes, and your faith. Follow the steps I've shared with you, and as you sprinkle that salt, say the prayer to Saint Benedict with your whole heart. Feel the power of his blessings, surrounding you, protecting you, and guiding you. Picture the negativity in your life melting away, making room for the abundance and joy you deserve. What have you got to lose? This isn't some grand, complicated ritual. It's small, it's simple, but it's powerful. And the best part? You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a renewed sense of purpose, feeling lighter, stronger, and more connected to the divine. Imagine seeing doors open where there were once walls. Imagine stepping into a life filled with peace, prosperity, and blessings. Doesn't that sound worth a try? Faith plus action. Miracles. Remember, faith alone can move mountains, but faith, combined with action, creates miracles. This is your chance to take action, to show the universe and yourself that you're ready for a new chapter. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Your invitation to miracles. So here's my invitation to you. Take this ritual, make it your own, and step into your power. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to be perfect. All you need is an open heart, a little faith, and the willingness to try. Feel the shift. The moment you take that first step, you'll feel it. The shift. It might be subtle at first, like a gentle wave of calm or a quiet sense of hope. But over time, you'll start to see the changes unfolding in your life. And when they do, you'll know that this simple act of faith was the spark that started it all. Don't wait. Start now. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't wait until the right time, because the truth is, the right time is now. This moment, right here, is your chance to take control of your life and invite miracles into your reality. So what are you waiting for? Take that pinch of salt, say the prayer to Saint Benedict, and let your faith guide you into a brighter, better future. You deserve this. You've always deserved this, and it starts with you right now. As we come to the end of this journey together, I want you to pause for a moment and reflect. Think about the power of small, intentional actions. Something as simple as sprinkling salt in your shoes and offering a heartfelt prayer. It might seem insignificant at first, but these small acts hold the potential to ignite extraordinary changes in your life. They're a reminder that faith, when paired with action, can unlock miracles beyond what we can imagine. This isn't just a ritual, it's a transformation. This practice is more than a ritual, it's a declaration. It's you saying to the universe, to Saint Benedict, and to yourself, I am ready. I am ready to release the negativity, to walk away from fear and doubt, and to step into the life I deserve. Every step you take in those shoes becomes a prayer in motion, a journey guided by divine protection and love. Feel the power of faith. Can you feel it? The shift that happens when you choose to believe. The strength that grows when you trust in something greater than yourself. That's the power of faith. That's the power of inviting Saint Benedict into your life, of allowing his blessings to guide and protect you. You are not alone. I want you to remember this. No matter where you are in life right now, No matter how lost or overwhelmed you may feel, you are not alone. Saint Benedict is there, walking beside you, shielding you from harm and lighting your path forward. The universe is listening, and it's ready to align with your intentions the moment you take that first step. Final blessing. Let's close this moment together with a prayer. Saint Benedict, protector of the faithful, we call upon you with open hearts. Bless us with your divine guidance and shield us from all negativity. Illuminate our path with peace, abundance, and joy. Walk with us as we take each step toward the life we were meant to live. Amen. Call to action for your journey. Now it's your turn to step into this power. Try this ritual tonight. Don't put it off. And as you do, trust in the process. Trust that Saint Benedict is working in ways you may not yet see. Then, share your story. Leave a comment below and tell us what changes you've noticed, what blessings have begun to unfold. Your testimony could inspire someone else to take their first step too. Stay connected to the light before you go. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so we can walk this spiritual journey together. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with someone you know who might need a miracle today. Because we're all in this together, and together we can create a world filled with light, love, and miracles. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your faith, and thank you for believing in the power of small sacred actions to transform your life. Now go, take that first step, and watch as the blessings begin to unfold. You've got this. Before we part ways, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've shared today. This practice of placing salt in your shoes with a prayer to Saint Benedict is more than just a ritual. It's a profound act of faith. It's a statement to the universe that you are ready to embrace transformation, protection, and abundance in your life. A sacred invitation to miracles. Think about what brought you here today. Maybe it was curiosity, or maybe it was something deeper, a longing for change, for peace, for something that feels like a miracle. Whatever the reason, this isn't just another coincidence. You were meant to hear this message, to learn about this sacred ritual, and to take the first step toward unlocking the blessings waiting for you. This is your turning point. Right now, you have the power to create a shift in your life. The salt is not just salt, it's a symbol of purification and renewal. Saint Benedict is not just a saint, he's a divine guide, standing ready to protect you and lead you into a brighter future. And you are not just an observer. You are a co-creator of your reality. The moment you decide to act, to believe, and to try, you set in motion a series of events that can change everything. Your journey starts today. This is your moment, your opportunity to choose faith over fear, action over hesitation. Don't let doubt hold you back. The most beautiful transformations often start with the smallest, simplest actions. Tonight, when you sprinkle that salt into your shoes and offer your prayer to Saint Benedict, feel the weight of negativity lifting off your shoulders. Feel the light of protection and blessings surrounding you. A personal challenge to you. I want to challenge you, yes, you, to commit to this practice for just 1 week, 7 days. Sprinkle the salt, say the prayer, and wear those shoes with intention and faith. Observe the changes, the subtle miracles, the way doors begin to open that you didn't even know existed. And when you notice those changes, don't keep them to yourself. Share them. Inspire others with your story. Your journey could be the spark that ignites someone else's faith. Stay connected to the light before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're building a community of faith, hope, and transformation, and you are an essential part of it. Like this video if it resonated with you, and share it with someone who might need a little light in their life. Together we can create a ripple effect of miracles. Final words of encouragement. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you know. And with the help of Saint Benedict and the power of your faith, you can overcome anything. Take that first step. Sprinkle the salt. Say the prayer. And trust that the blessings you've been waiting for are already on their way. Thank you for being here, for opening your heart, and for believing in the power of transformation. Now, it's your time to shine. Go forth with faith and watch as the miracles unfold.